Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something truly special, something that touched my heart deeply. We recently visited the GRCA Durga Puja right here in Kitchener-Waterloo, and what we experienced was far beyond a celebration. It was pure magic. There are moments in life that don't just happen, they transform us. Moments that leave behind an energy so powerful it continues to resonate long after the sounds fade. And this year, that moment arrived once again with the second Durga Puja of GRCA, a beautiful chapter in the growing story of our community beside the Grand River. It all began not too long ago with a dream, a few believers, and endless devotion. Last year, that dream took its first breath, and this year it found its wings. This wasn't just an event, it was a continuation of a legacy, woven with the threads of faith, unity, and love. In that sacred space, every chant became a heartbeat. Every Anjali carried the warmth of home, the fragrance of incense, the rhythm of the drums, the laughter of the children, and the glow in every elder's eyes. It all came together to remind us that no matter where we go, our roots, our traditions, and our goodness travel with us. And then came Ashtami, the day of the divine power, the day when the energy of Maa Durga surged through every flame of Dhanuchi, every beat of the drum, every smile that refused to fade. It wasn't just a ritual, it was a revelation. A reminder that strength is not something we seek, but something we awaken within ourselves. That light will always triumph over darkness, and courage will always find its voice, even far from home. This second Durga Puja was more than a festival. It was a celebration of growth, of a community that dared to dream and made the dream come alive, of families that stood hand in hand building something sacred together. It showed us that when hearts unite, faith finds its way across rivers, across generations, across worlds. So, as we look back at these moments, the lights, the music, the devotion, let's carry the energy with us. Let's remember that this is only the beginning. Because every year, this celebration grows stronger. Every year, the family grows larger. And every year, the spirit of Maa Durga and the soul of this GRCA community shine brighter than before. This isn't just a festival, it's a promise to keep our heritage alive, to pass on our light, and to remind the world that no matter where we are, the power of Shakti lies within us, always. Om Namah Shivaya.